Hey guys, what's going on? I'm here. So today is my time to do a unbox a Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra bronze color. So without further ado, let's get started. And this is the box. Nothing on the box. Let's unbox. Let's see the phone. Oh wow, look at that. A bronze Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 4G version. Look at that. It comes with the plastic protection. Now let's see the phone condition. This is fair minus condition that I chose. Oh wow, look at that. It seems like there's no scratch at all on the back side. Let's take a look at the side. Wow, it still had the plastic, factory plastic. On the top also got. There's no scratch at all on the body side, at the back side, and the front part. It's still clean, but I choose this fair minus. Fair minus is the lowest condition. It's like a grade C. But wow, look at that. But as you can see, this is live demo unit, not for sale, but they still sell the phone. This is demo unit phone, but it's like a brand new phone, no scratch. But it comes with different color of S Pen. I'm not sure whether the S Pen is original or not, but it's okay about that. Let's see what else on the box. Rubber wrap. Charging brick. It's not original, of course. Oh, it comes with a Type C. Wow. A Type C to Type C cable. And this thing, travel adapter for export only. And here's the phone. I'm so happy that I got this. It's like a brand new condition. Alright, the phone itself already been set up by me, so let's see the inside. This is the lock screen and the home screen. I noticed on the screen it has a burn in, the color a bit purplish. Let me show you. Look at that. But still doesn't disturb me. No problem. After everything is working perfectly. But only one issue that I had is the phone can't software update. It still run on the first ever version Android 10 with One UI 2. As you can see, there's no software update coming on this phone. The last security patch level is 1 December 2020. That means I need to flash it manually via Odin 3. But for now, I just stay on the Android 10. As you can see, Android 10 with One UI 2.5. It's a very nice phone. So far, so good. No issue. Battery also good. Charging also good. Other than can't update the software, everything is perfectly good. I'm so happy. Comparison with my Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, got 6 line. As you can see, this one runs on the latest version Android 13, and this one is Android 10. Well, look at that. This is black color and this is bronze. It's very nice. Let's do one speed test. Almost same. I'm so happy. And so before I end this video, you can give your feedback for this unboxed Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 4G version in the comment below. And so that's all for me. Thank you very much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you on this video. Goodbye and have a nice day.